Good morning, everybody. I thought maybe I should join in with the canoe crew and show a canoe this time. This is a Rough Ryder 2029. It is a Patriot, but it's not actually part of the Patriot series. Those look like this with the blue bone. It is Freedom on the main blade. Love the little nail nick there. And on this blade is Gimme Liberty or Gimme Death. Oh shoot, there it goes. You got two liners on it, a white one and a red one, and then the blue handle, which gives you your red, white, and blue. Fluted bolster, pinched on each end. No big R, thank God. It is a magnet, I'll tell you that. And it takes every fingerprint and just magnifies it. But it's a nice little knife. It's one of the smoothest that I've got as far as opening and closing. And there's no rough spots, nothing. Nice half stop. Nice strong pull. About a 6 or maybe a 7. But pretty little knife. Thought you might want to see it. I hadn't seen one of these on here yet, and I'm sure everybody's, or some of the people have got it. I looked on Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and right now that one is on sale for $11 and something. But thought you'd enjoy seeing it. You guys have a nice day.